Hey there, this is Ted Cantu with HotMetroFinds.com, and I want to say what a great time we had last Friday. We're talking about Cooking with Q, a brand new, grand opening, great vegetarian kitchen that's open right here in Detroit, right on Woodward. And it was just a really fantastic time. We had a lot of people that showed up, and this is a place where vegans and meat eaters can actually coexist, which is really, really cool. And I want you to log on to the new site, which is cookingwithq.com, and the description is in this video. And there's some really cool things on that website, including a podcast. There's also a vegan challenge I want you to pay really, really close attention to. And there's also some really great insight here on transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. And you can find all this great information right here on cookingwithq.com. And I want to invite you to come to this place. It is really stellar. And what a great addition this is to the community. This is Ted Cantu with HotMetroFinds.com.